All right, here we go. Good luck, Adam. Adam Davidson47 won this box of a Bowman draft picks and prospects, and our giveaway for those that bought teams in, or that was part of the auction for the teams of, what was that thing? I can't even remember what it was that we did. Classics baseball. We did auctions for classic baseball. So good luck, Adam. He's one of the 6 people that won boxes. Panini Classics, Donruss Classics. One of those 3. Taylor Sparks and Rafael Devers Refractor. We'll talk later about what exactly you want or what not. Lance McCullers, Phil Urban. Oh, Chris Bryant. And I almost missed that one. Blake Swihart Tiny. Mike Poppy Refractor. There. There. Let me go say no. This is Asia edition, sir. San Diaz. Joe. You could tell by so the 2014 Asia draft is black border. I'm doing them at 57. I am out right now. This is the last box I had. I should pick up some more later. Trev, if you want. I've been picking up 3 at a time. I have some for Wednesday. You can hold off that long. It's Spencer Turnbull Refractor. Justin Twine. So they have 2014. Here's what I'm able to pick up as far as Asia edition. 2014 Bowman draft. 2015 Bowman. Something tier 1. And I think Bowman Sterling was the other one. And the Bowman Sterling, I think we've done a couple of boxes here. Mark Appel Refractor. I don't know what the difference is with the tier 1. Got a blue refractor, not autographed. Miguel Sano. Blue refractor. $255 of $399. Kyle Schwarber Chrome. You want it for yourself? I'll get it. Kyle Schwarber Black. Conforto. Daniel Robertson. Die cut. Not to do breaks with it though. Nick Birdie, refractor. Come on. J.P. Crawford, tiny. Taquan Forbes, Josh Bell. There's our autograph. Gosh. Adams Garcia, Kyle Freeland. Carlos Correa, black border. Oh man, I'm way over there on the screen. Phil Irvin, refractor. And the last pack is Josh Bell, refractor. Alright, our automograph is Chase Vallet. Chase Vallet ended up being our autograph. Sorry, Adam. Did put you 2 Schwarbers and Chris Bryant black border and a Carlos Correa black border. That's pretty cool. Very good stuff, man. Thanks, sir.